今年一届的卡达格兰论坛今仔举行，总统赖清德伫开幕致辞哦，嘛甲头一届来台湾的英国前首相 Johnson 共台。总统是强调讲，政府会维持现状，确保台海和平稳定，嘛继续来提升自我防卫能力。Johnson 是批评中国利用军事压迫恐吓台湾，嘛呼吁北京无应该想要以武力来还台，嘛望讲有愈侪欧美的国家支持台湾。
日前握手挨30秒20秒，总统赖清德和第一摆访台英国前首相强生，伫第9届凯达格兰论坛顶悬欢喜见面。今年论坛重点放伫三大主题：印太区域安全、全社会防卫和经济科技产业外交的战略整合。赖总统致辞中心政府会维持现状，确保台海的和平稳定，持续提升自我防卫能力。
We are continuing to reform and invest even more resources in our national defense. Next year's defense budget will reach a target of over 3% of GDP.
赖总统阁强调讲，经济是国力的基础，民主国家应该做伙打造更加强韧的民主供应链。伫强生的专题演讲内面嘛讲，家己长期拢真欣赏台湾，欣赏台湾的半导体产业伫 AI 科技做关键角色。
Year after year, these Taiwanese chips put new distance between themselves and their competitors. And so, of course, I gave up the idea of the UK government trying to compete with you. Because this is a free country, it follows that it's vital, not just for Taiwan, but for the West, for my country, for the whole world, that we protect that freedom here.
大大俄罗台湾是一个民主自由的国家，讲到这，强生嘛批评中国一直军事脅迫，威脅台灣，化為北京無應該使用武力來侵台，嘛希望更加濟歐美國家會當明確表態支持台灣。
As China intensifies its pressure on Taiwan, I hope that we all, the West, America, the UK, all Europeans, will have the courage not to tiptoe away, not to be cowed by our desire to be deferential to Beijing, but to stand with Taiwan and to deepen our economic partnership.
指出台湾和英国是共享共款的价值，强生落尾是用鼎泰丰和苏格兰威士忌来做例。指出两国的交流是愈来愈接，必须继续深化经济伙伴的关系。公司新闻综合报道。